Alright, so this video is long overdue. A few months ago, I picked up this 2002 base model C5 Corvette. It really has just been a complete joy to drive. I have so much fun with this thing. I'm really enjoying the way the car rotates. The car definitely puts its power down well, gets sideways where I need it to, where I want it to really. And I've been having just the best time getting it sideways, working on some car control with the thing. Oh man, it's just so fun. And it's all stock right now. The only thing I've done to it is some interior. So the engine is all stock. Suspension is all stock. It's on the stock leaf springs. Interior wise, I put the status seat in that you guys have seen on the channel that has traveled through the years with me car to car. Driver's side, we have the Recaro RSG, and the steering wheel is the Nardi 350mm deep corn. Not sure what plans I have for it just yet, or I'm not sure if I want to set it up for the track, for drift, or just leave it for the street really and enjoy it as a street car. But man, I'm just having so much fun with it as it is. Yeah, let's hit it. That's the clip. See, I love the pop-up headlights on this guy. C5 is a classic. C5 is actually the last, not only the last Corvette to have pop-ups, but the last car at all to have pop-ups. So there's some heritage and lore there. I didn't need the power of a Z06. I like the hatchback, and the base models are a lot cheaper and easier to find. 6-speed manual, of course. The autos are abundant and plenty and super easy to find, but the manuals, the second they go on the market for a decent price in good shape, they go instantly. So I got this car basically the second it went on marketplace. Within the first hour I saw it, I had already messaged the guy and, you know, set up the meeting. So you got to move fast if you're trying to get a manual one. This one, clean title, under 100,000 miles. When I bought it, it was only at 97K, and I must say the deal I got for it, I'm extremely happy. But yeah guys, status and Recaro. But that's it for this one, guys. If you enjoyed, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button, leave a like on the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subbed already. And follow along if you want to see more of what we do with the Corvette.